Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Ardha chakrasana. This asana improves your lung capacity and also relieves shoulder pain and neck pain. To practice, start in standing sthiti. Support your lower back with your hands. Exhale and bend back. Maintain with normal breathing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.